Hi there, and welcome to this Brainpeek demo. Over the next couple of minutes, we will give you a quick demonstration of how we measure emotions and subconscious behavior. Also, we will show you how neuro insights can be obtained from these measurements. For this demo, we have assessed Nike by You, which is an online tool on the Nike website that lets you customize your own pair of Nike shoes. So, let's get right into it. As you can see, we are now logged into Brainpeek, our unique emotion analytics platform. All test data and results are stored in Brainpeek's dynamic dashboard, which makes it a useful research tool. For the Nike by You flow, we've tested 10 participants. We will walk you through that in a minute, but first, let's have a look at how this research was set up. What you're looking at now is what we call the test overview. Here you can view on which device the test was performed, and you can look into the test scenario. In this case, participants were asked to customize and order a pair of Nike shoes on desktop. For the record, this test could have also been performed on mobile devices, and it might as well have been a Nike TV commercial. But let's stick to the script. For this demo, we won't go into full detail on how to use Brainpeek, but we will give you an impression of what the recording of one participant looks like, just to illustrate how our research data is collected and stored within the platform. So, let's look at participant 9 for instance. Okay, we've now entered the data recording of one participant. This is where you can view all the different data streams that have been recorded during the test. Screen recordings are made, so that afterwards, users can see exactly what happened at what point during the webflow or video. At the top, you'll find basic information about this individual, as well as the time they needed to complete the webflow. With our method, we try to avoid rationalized answers or the risk of bias. Participants navigate through the webflow uninterruptedly, and in the meantime, our technology captures their emotions and behavior. Let's play the video and see what happens. The first thing you will notice are the red dots that appear on screen. Those are visualizations of eye tracking data. Underneath the participant videos, you'll find the graphs that signify the participants' emotion levels. The pink line represents frustration, the green line is the opposite, the positive emotion that we call joy, and the yellow line is what we call attention. This is not exactly an emotion, it is rather the cognitive load that is required to process certain information. Significant increases in either of the three emotions are marked with a dot. These significant points are supplemented with what we call neurofeedback. You can see that for each of the significant points, the neurofeedback will pop up in the right column. Right after a test is completed, we replay the recorded data to the participant and ask them to explain what happened during the test, based on the peaks in their emotions and their eye movements. In the end, this provides us with a rich bundle of information that enables us to draw valuable insights from the tests. When the data from all participants are combined, interesting patterns and insights will surface. This can be seen as direct input for improvement and optimization. Now you might be asking, what can we actually learn from this Nike by You journey? Well, one important finding is that participants lack guidance when using the shoe builder. An example can be found here, as we can see a significant peak in frustration. It is evident that a negative emotion is registered here. The neurofeedback from this participant tells us that this person was confused. After combining the data and feedback from all participants, we found that overall, it was not clear to them how exactly the shoe builder tool worked. They were basically using trial and error to create their designs. Therefore, we would suggest implementing some sort of guide, like a tutorial or a help section. We know that this is just one of the insights that could be obtained from this journey, but hopefully it illustrates that our testing method provides actionable optimization insights and concrete input for A/B testing. That brings us to the end of this demo. We hope that you've come to understand our research method a little bit better. If you'd like to know more about us or about Brainpeek, visit our website. There you can also sign up for a Brainpeek demo account to see more cases and examples. Thank you for watching.